Hello, I'm Stephen Kilgore, Director of Accounting and Auditing for the Treasurer of State's Office, and this is Holly Beaver, Investment Accountant for the office. Today we are presenting the Arkansas Treasurer of State Internal Audit Plan for fiscal year 2023. There is a more detailed planning document which can be found on the Treasury website that describes the steps and anticipated hours for each step. Today I wanted to share the basic approach being used and key points of emphasis within the plan. The objective of internal auditing is twofold: to assist management and to support stakeholders at all levels. In addition, we hope to assist the State Board of Finance in the effective discharge of its responsibilities by furnishing analysis, appraisals, and recommendations concerning the investment activities of the agency. This objective is accomplished by ensuring four things: compliance with applicable laws and regulations, reliability and integrity of financial and operational information, safeguarding of assets, and effectiveness and efficiency of operations. We want to give you an overview today of the concepts that guided us in the development of this plan. We started by taking a risk-focused approach. Audit steps were selected with consideration of three priorities: the level of inherent risk within a process, the control environment of that process, and the remaining residual risk. We are applying a time-sensitive audit cycle. Given the importance of reporting distributions made to agencies, assessments of key processes are designed to take place primarily on a quarterly basis prior to monthly distributions being made to agencies and prior to monthly, quarterly, or annual reporting to key stakeholders.
We are addressing statutory compliance. Resources and regular attention will be devoted to ensuring that compliance with applicable statutes, rules, and policies is being achieved. We are assessing operational effectiveness in key areas. Internal audit staff will seek to add value by assessing the effectiveness of investment policies and processes and to provide feedback for future planning.
What do we see as the primary role of internal audit? Where do we fit in? Some years ago, a model was developed by the Institute of Internal Auditors to describe the most effective placement for internal auditing within a complex or multi-layered organization. These roles are referred to as the three lines of defense. What is shown now is a slide including on page 4 of the audit plan. Let's take a moment to consider how each role in the investment process fits within this model. First line roles provide for delivery of products and services to clients or to the end beneficiaries of the activity or the organization. For the Treasury, first line roles are filled by the investment managers. Second line roles focus on ensuring that objectives of performance, risk management, compliance, internal control, and quality assurance are achieved. In our office, these roles are filled by the senior investment managers in coordination with the executive team. Third line roles. This is where the audit department comes in. The internal audit activities provide independent and objective assurance to the executive team and the State Board of Finance as to how well goals are being achieved and how internal controls or processes might be improved. In the Treasury, these roles fall to myself and Ms. Beaver.
So you might ask, what are the key steps and points of emphasis within the audit plan? Through the review of investment procedures, key steps were identified as being most likely to benefit from internal audit attention. Risk levels were assessed and continue to be updated based on the routine observation as well as discussion of the processes between staff members and legislative audit. Some of the planned audit procedures have been periodically applied by Mr. Kilgore and myself within the prior fiscal year. The planned audit areas for fiscal year 2023 audit include 1. Broker allocation and trade execution. How many brokerage firms are used? Are they all on the approved list? Are multiple bids obtained? 2. Investment pricing and valuation assessment. What independent service is being used to value the securities? Is the pricing regularly updated and reasonable for each type of bond as compared to other pricing sources? 3. Investment policy and statutory compliance. Are the amounts by category within the approved percentages by both type of bond and ratings level? 4. Investment performance variance analysis. Are the causes for unusual investment results obvious based on market trends? Would it be helpful to analyze pre-trade notes or prior year investment strategies? 5. Return on investment calculations and methodology. Was the return on investment properly calculated? Are counting method discrepancies apparent?
The current estimates of hours for each audit step are included in the executive summary, which can be found on the Treasury website. Additional reference materials on investment accounting and audit plans are to be received and considered later this fiscal year. These consist of multiple continuing education certifications we are pursuing. Upcoming activities include a conference on auditing investments and self-study plans on governmental accounting and financial management, investment accounting, and internal auditing. Therefore, the number and types of audits may be expanded. We welcome feedback on these stated goals and plans, or on additional concerns you might have. Thanks for your consideration today.